Welcome back to this channel. So in this video I will talk about how you can write sales copy, affiliate ad copy, like different types of copy, email copy. So in this video I will cover all these things. So for that we have to visit one website, and the website name is swiped.co, swiped.co. So you can see here swipe filer, all types of all ad copy format. Okay, so whether it is Facebook ad, classic, email, or whatever. So let's see the website. You just click on swipe.co. So you can see here the dashboard here. Right now I'm not going to click anywhere. I will directly choose the templates here. So reverse engineered marketing and copywriting inspiration. Okay. So where marketers and copywriters go to get inspired and learn the secret psychology of top marketing promotions. So whenever you go through this, you will notice that these are the format which are already used for marketing purpose, whether it is ad copy, Facebook ad copy, or sales copy. Anyway, so we will check some old ad copy. You can see this one, anti-wrinkle cream ads using the same reduce up to 50% hook. Okay, so we will click on this and we will check. So you can see here paid advertisement. So this is collected from the newspaper. So you can see here stem cell research reveals a secret to looking up to 15 years younger than your age. See, here is the techniques of copywriting. How they have written. That means it is catchy headline. It will catch the attention of the reader. So reduce your wrinkles up to 56% the first month. Wow, it's a catchy headline and hooks. Okay, you can see here what was before, and after. Okay, so these are the catchy headlines which help to take actions from the user side. Okay, you can see in this way. You can see this like copy. Erase up to 56% of your wrinkles in 4 weeks with doctor's amazing stem cell anti-aging formulation. See, 56% of your wrinkles in 4 weeks. Okay, they have given the timeline with doctor's amazing stem cell anti-aging formulation. So no prescription needed, no needles, no injections, no pain, no correctness, no doctor's visit. Wow, that means they are giving the result. Okay, so this is the style of writing copy. Age doesn't cause wrinkles. Okay, these are all hooks which will help people to take action on this type of advertisement. Okay, so whenever you see, you will get so many formats on this website: e-commerce, SaaS software service, band ad, targeted display ad, and trial offer. So let me check one thing. I will search here. I will go and click on swipe worthy. Then I will browse and show you here. Just wait. Okay, so we have reached this level. This is the dashboard. So all niche. That means in which niche you want to search. Okay, and all types of category here. Like if you want to see copy of, you can see. Okay, here niche, advertising, alcohol, anti. So if you go one by one, you will see so many things. So if you want to check how they have written all types of copy, then you can check here easily. Yes. Okay, so let me check one hotel is there. So dollar one breakfast, you can see here, no issue. We will go one by one, but to know in details you have to visit this website, and it will help you a lot while writing any copy. So this is the ad of 4 points by Serathon. Okay, so you can see here, book your stay and start your day with a full breakfast and coffee for just a buck. Okay, so breakfast for dollar one, 4 points hotels. Wow, so it's a copy. Okay, it's a hacks, it's a hook, it's a like you can say anything. So customer will book this type of hotel. Suppose you want to visit some place and you are getting this type of ads on your Facebook or anywhere. So whenever you see that, wow, if we book that hotel, then we will get breakfast for $1. Yes. So of course this is catchy headline. Anyway, so again we will go back and we will see something different. So to know in details, you have to visit this website, and I will show you one thing like just wait. Okay, like webinar nowadays trending topic. Okay, so I will open this. It's very easy. Visit website and search your niche, and then go. So you can see here, one person is mailed to customer like, is email marketing dead? Then he's saying, hey boss, the so-called pundits are saying email marketing really dead or email marketing is dying. Okay, this headline is sufficient to get the attention of the reader. Yes, then you can say, in fact, in our business, email marketing is the best way to generate instant cash flow with an online business period. Nothing else is better. But here is the only caveat. It is not like that for everyone. The real headline should be, email marketing is dying for many, do not, but not for those in the know. So you can see here how they have written this email, and when you go down, what you will get, just in case you needed any more encouragement, you can do this and revealed. So the biggest secret is that will increase your email marketing income in threefold. Then they have given the reserve my seat now. Okay, they are calling for webinar. Yes, and what they have written is email marketing really dead. Yes. So after that, they are given time left until webinar starts. Wow, it's a catchy one. Now this one is also important. No list, no problem. Discover the top traffic and to build a massive money magnet of a list. Attention, there is no public replay free $2000 gift to all attendees in the first 10 minutes. Reserve my seat. Okay, so if you come here and you observe it and develop your own copy, whether it is Facebook copy, ad copy, email copy, affiliate copy, so it's up to you what type of copy you want. So if you want to see FB copy, you search here. You can see here. So you can observe here all these things are FB ad copy. So if you click anything, you will get to know how FB copies are written. Yes, so you can see here Newsmax. So where the Mac America great again cap and stand with the Trump in securing America's border with Mexico and cleaning of Washington. So you can see here, get Trump's cap free, Mac America great again. Wow, it's a catchy headline, and with the tools, you can say it's a wonderful. And of course, it will get the attention of the audience as well as visitors. So if you go down, what they have written, you observe this. and how they have planned for any ad. Okay, so what I want to suggest here is that you visit this website, check whatever requirement or whatever copy you need. See, if you want email copy, you come here and type email copy, or if you want affiliate email, you can type for affiliate email also, no issue. See, whenever people send affiliate email, they always try to give free, like lead magnet. Okay, so they will give you something free for collecting your data, that is lead. Okay, so what's your address? Sending you a cookbook. Okay, again here. So if you go these things, click here to request your free copy. So these are, I'm not going and taking too much time of yours. So you just go ahead and check whether copies are well and it is for you or not. So you just go ahead one by one, and without wasting time, I'm just leaving this video. And thank you so much for watching, and just visit this swipe.co for getting so many copies ideas. And now thank you so much for now. Bye bye.